Hello, my name is Alex with NumLookup, and I'm here with another informational video. In this video, we'll be given a pretty general overview of the three main types of phones that are used today. These include cellular, landline, and VoIP. Within NumLookup phone reports, we describe the types of phones that people have, and so it's helpful to know the difference between these types of phones. The first one that we're going to go over today is the cell phone. This device is always in your hand, you can't live without it, and sometimes it takes more selfies than actual phone calls. In modern day, these are the most popular types of phones. The main benefits of cell phones are the ease of use, mobile design, and infinite capabilities. Oftentimes, these function both as a lifeline to the outside world, as well as a perfectly acceptable excuse to avoid eye contact. Cell phones are specifically defined as radio devices that are provided with a phone number by a cellular phone company. The next type of phone that we'll talk about are landlines. These are often described as the dinosaurs of phones. Believe it or not, these things still exist in the wild and are stationary, corded, and are often used for prank calls. If these ring at the wrong time, it's probably a telemarketer or a wrong number. Examples would include the rotary phone, good luck texting on that thing, or the push button phone, which you would often end with a really satisfying slam. The third and most dangerous type of phone is the VoIP phone, and these are often described as the hipster of phones. As long as you have a connection to the internet, you're able to acquire a phone number and make calls or texts to anybody. These are great for reminding folks that you're a geek or someone to be wary of, at least until the Wi-Fi drops mid-call. VoIP phones are loved by scammers and catfishes, so beware. As the internet develops, so will these types of phones. Because they're so easy to access and they don't have any affiliation with a traditional phone company, these are often impossible to track, and scammers can make a new one in just seconds. Examples would include Skype, Google Voice, and other various sites that allow people with no money or real IDs to acquire new phone lines and wreak havoc on the telecommunications around the world. In a later video, we'll be diving much deeper into the complexities of VoIP phones. I hope you all found this video helpful. See you next time.